Welcome to Max Pro Tips. Have you ever tried to add a delay effect to a specific part of an audio clip using automation in FL Studio, and you wonder why the delay effect doesn't follow the adjustment you made on the automation clip precisely? This is because you are not taking the right approach, and in this video I'll show you the right way to go about it. Let me quickly show you what I mean here. As you can see, I have an audio track on my playlist and I've already set an automation clip for it. What I actually automated is the delay plugin on Insert 4, which is assigned to the audio track. And actually what this automation controls is the mix level. So I'm expecting that when I play the audio track, the end part, which I have maxed to 100 using the automation clip, should only be affected by the delay. But when I play it, that's not what happens. I hear the feedback of this other part, which have died down to 0%, and the feedback of the delay. I'll play the audio clip right now so you can hear what I mean.
Is there something out there? Is there something out there?
If you listened well, you would notice that the automation isn't doing what it's expected to do. Coming over here, I actually set a point on the automation clip and I raised this part up to 100. So the delay is supposed to affect only this end word in the audio track. But whenever I play it, I notice that this other part of the audio track bleeds into the feedback of the delay, and that makes it cluttered and unclear. And if you are actually going for something precise, you'll be frustrated by the result. I think the major reason for this is because the automation clip is a post-fader automation. Perhaps if it was a pre-fader automation, it will react differently to the audio clip and be more precise. I don't really know, but if you do, please drop it on the comment section. I'm just going to show you a way which I can get the precision I need using automation, and this way works all the time. You will never be disappointed, so hang on while I show you another approach to this. The way I would advise you to approach this is to create a send FX for the delay effect and send it to the insert that has been linked to the audio track. As you can see on my mixer, I routed the audio track to insert 4, and what I'm going to do now is to create a send FX for the delay. So I'm going to delete the delay on this track here, and I'll come over here to insert 11. You can do this on any other insert, but I'm just choosing insert 11 in this tutorial, and I'm going to add my delay to it. For this process, you want to leave your wetness at 100% and reduce your delay depending on the track you are working on and what you are going for. The next thing I'll do is to rename the send FX track. I'll rename it to send FX delay. Then I'll come over to insert 4 and route it to insert 11. Then I'll right click on the mix knob and select create automation clip. So what this does is that it creates an automation clip for the mix level of the send FX track. So once it creates the automation clip, you select your points. I'm going to do it exactly the same way I did this one up here. I'll select a point here, raise this part up and drop this part to 0%, and when I play it,
Is there something out there?
okay, that's way too much, so I'm going to pull this this part down so that it blends well.
Is there something out there?
And you can hear that this is more precise than what we had before. So this is an approach that I use all the time whenever I want to create a delay with an automation, and it gives me the freedom to be precise with my selection, and the result is always amazing. I'll show you another way you can do this and still get a good result. The first thing I will do is to come over here to my audio channel, and I'll duplicate my audio track. Then I'll assign the duplicate to a different track on my mixer. The next thing I'll do is to add the duplicate to my playlist, and I'll select the portion of the audio that I want to put the delay on, and I will take off that same part on the main audio. Then the next thing I'll do is to add my delay effect to the duplicate. Then I'll set my wetness level since it's not a send FX, and I'll as well set the level so that the feedback isn't too much. And then when I play it,
Is there something out there?
okay, let me turn off these ones here. Okay, when I play it,
Is there something out there?
you see we'll still get the same effect.
Is there something out there?
Okay, this wraps up the tutorial. I hope you took some value from this. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to get notified anytime I drop new videos. Do have a great time.